Today we're going to make a bookmark, and this is just going to be very simple. I've got my little scrap of leather that's roughly this size. I've got that marked. So we'll just start over here with the shape, and I'm just going to do a basic shape, and I'm choosing this square with the rounded edges right here, and I'm just going to, first I'll unclick this little lock right here so that we can adjust the size. So we're just going to take it and move it down. Now I'm going to take the width and make it about 1.5, and then the height will just be, I think we'll make it closer to 5. So you can either drag and stretch to fit it in the space that you have, or you can just change the numbers up here. So we'll just take that and move it, and we're going to cut this. It's not going to be a score, so this is going to be the outside of the bookmark where we cut it. So I'm going to do 100 power for the cut, and then we'll do a speed of 6, and then we'll do 2 passes on that. And then I found this cute little book in this other section here. There it is right there. I thought that was super cute for a bookmark, so I'm going to take that and we'll put it down here. We'll have to shrink it a little bit. And then I'm going to engrave this, so we'll come over and click engrave. And that's a little large for the space, so we'll just shrink it a little smaller. There we go. And then I'm going to just use the words "just read." And you can use whatever font you like. I think this Adelia is cute, if you don't have it all capital. So just put "just read." And I don't really like the R because it's just partial, so I'm just going to capitalize read. And then we will rotate this 90 degrees here. And we'll shrink it down to fit in the space. Just like that. And then I'm also going to engrave this one. Oh, and I forgot to do the settings on the engrave. So the engrave settings is 38 power and 600 speed, 1 pass, and then the lines per centimeter increased to 200. So I'll just do those same settings on this one. And then what I like to do is I'll just drag and drop over all of it, and then we'll align, and we're going to line them all horizontally center, and they were pretty close, but then it just adjusts them slightly just to make sure they're in the center. You could also, if you wanted to make like a tassel on this, you could make add a little circle. Let's see. I don't really want a tassel on this one, but just as an option, you can just cut a little circle, and this would be a cut. You'd probably want it smaller than that. Then you could also align that into the center. And then you have a little hole for your tassel. But so then I would just use the same settings to cut that. That was 100 power and speed of 6, and then 2 passes. But I don't think I want that on mine. I'm just going to leave it blank, but that's just an option for you. And then you'll just go ahead and process your piece, and you'll have a cute little bookmark. It's pretty easy to make.